Hi, my name is Attorney Walter Rudolph Hnot III. I'm with Disability Resolution PA, an Orlando, Orange County-based Social Security disability law firm. Let's go ahead and begin. What are the top 5 things I should do once I receive my partially favorable disability benefits letter? All right, so the one I did before this video was the if I received a fully favorable, right? Now we're going to do the partially favorable. What are the top 5 things I should do for a partially favorable situation? So I just got my letter. It says partially favorable. Let's go. Thing number 1. Figure out what your alleged onset date is. If it's a partially favorable, that means they're moving your alleged onset date to a different date. That's going to dictate to you how much back pay and or retroactive benefits you may be getting. Remember, SSI equals back pay. SSDI equals the potential of back pay and retroactive benefits. So figure out what your alleged onset date is. If you're not sure what it is and it has an acronym, the acronym is AOD. So if you see an AOD somewhere or alleged onset date somewhere, that's what you want to know. If you're not sure what that is, go watch another video or shoot me an email. All right. What are the top 5 partially favorable? Next thing you want to do, go open a bank account. If you don't have money and you don't have a bank account, go open a bank account, bring your letter to a bank, they'll open a bank account for you. Next thing you're going to want to do is make sure you don't tell certain people, make sure you tell certain people. There are good people in your life that should know. They can help you with the next process as you grow into the future that you're going to have. And then there's bad people. Those bad people are going to try and scheme money out of you. They're going to try and make you do some sort of deal. They're going to try and make you, help them in some way, yada, yada, yada. Remember, these benefits are for your ability to be self-efficient as a disabled person. It is not to save the rest of the world. Okay. What are the top 5 things? So that's number 3. Number 4, I would say, is this. Make sure you make a priorities list of things that you'll need. You're going to need shelter. You're going to need a place to put your food. You're going to need, transportation. Make sure you have those details written out so that you spend money directly on those as your priority list. That's number 4. Number 5, let's come up with a different one. No, this is still too important. So number 5 is going to be, in this case, making sure that your Medicaid or Medicare or private health insurance is set up. So if you're on SSI in Florida, you automatically get Medicaid. If you're on SSDI, look at your alleged onset date. 24 months from that date, you get to go into Medicare. So if it's like, a year ago, you still got to wait another 12 months until you can go onto Medicare. If you can't go onto any of those programs, healthcare.org, that thing, and see what you can get for the best, cheapest price for your health insurance. Remember, you have to keep going to the doctor, because if you don't go to the doctor, big problem, because at that point, they're going to do a CDR on you, and then you're not going to have updated medical, and then you're going to be in a bad situation. Cool. My name is Attorney Walter Rudolph Hnot III. I'm with Disability Resolution PA. I have 2 quasi-sponsors. They don't pay me anything, but I like their products. One is Second Wave. Like, oh, there's a second wave coming. Masks. They're really good. I like them. They fit well. They fit better than the other masks. Like, I have masks that were mass-produced in China that I bought from eBay. I have Harbor Freight masks. I have all those. But these are just a lot more comfortable, and I like them. I use them. So anyway, another thing, my squeaky chair, Beaver Moon soap. I really dig it. I like I'm a take a bath person, so I like it. There's other soap brands out there that make great soap too, but these guys are really affordable. So I think I got those on eBay. Anyways, I'll catch you guys a little bit later. Have an absolutely wonderful day. Thank you so much, and we'll go from there. Bye bye.